Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to enable autoplay in Plex application using your smartphone. If you use Plex to stream your media collection, enabling autoplay can make things smoother. First of all, launch open Plex application on your device, whether you are using Android or iOS, and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, from the home page of Plex, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right corner. From the menu that pops up on the screen, click on Settings. Under Settings, click on Player Experience. Now on the next page, you will see the Autoplay option. Toggle on the button right next to Autoplay. This will now play up next videos automatically. Now you can go ahead and start playing a movie or episode that has a sequel or next episode. When it ends, watch whether Plex automatically starts the next item. So that's how you can easily enable autoplay feature in Plex. It is straightforward and it will make your viewing more seamless. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.